Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you how to replace your control panel model 888LM or 889LM. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. First, we'll show you how to replace the control panel. Then we'll show you how to reprogram your remotes and keypads, so gather them together. Some MyQ devices may also have to be reconnected. Let's get started. Okay, this is important. Unplug your garage door opener. If your garage door opener has battery backup, you'll need to disconnect the battery too. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working around the battery compartment. On the control panel, lift the push bar and unscrew the top screw. Carefully lift the control panel up and off of the bottom screw. When you turn your control panel over, you'll see wires connected to screws marked red and WHT for white. These wires plug into the red and white terminals on your garage door opener. If your wires are some color other than red and white, make a note of the color of the wires attached to the terminals on the garage door opener. You'll need to match those wire colors when you connect to the red and white screws on the new control panel. Use a screwdriver to loosen the terminals on the control panel, then disconnect the wires. Discard the old control panel. Follow these directions for installing your new control panel. The control panel must be mounted within sight of the door, at a minimum height of 5 feet above floors, landings, steps, or any other adjacent walking surface so small children are not able to reach it, and away from all moving parts of the garage door. If the old control panel location didn't meet these requirements, you'll need to choose a new location that does. If your old control panel was installed on drywall and you find that wall anchors were not used, be sure to insert wall anchors before completing the installation of the new control panel. You may need to drill new mounting holes. Attach the wires to the new control panel matching the red wire to the red screw and the white wire to the white screw. If your wire colors are different, match the colors that you noted before. The keyhole on the bottom of the control panel fits over the bottom screw. It may be necessary to adjust the screw so the control panel fits snugly to the wall. Lift the push bar and install the top screw. Now, reconnect power to the garage door opener. It is normal to see the yellow and red LEDs flashing for up to 5 minutes while the control panel fully charges. When the control panel is fully charged, the yellow command LED under the push bar will remain solid. Go ahead and test your new control panel by pressing the push bar. You may need to program your remote controls or keypad to the new control panel. Let's test each one. Make sure all items, people, and pets are clear of the garage door. Use each remote control to open and close the door. Use your keypad to open and close the door. Any remote control or keypad that does not work will have to be programmed. Lift the push bar on the control panel and locate the Learn button. To program a remote control, press the Learn button on the control panel twice. The red Learn LED will turn on. Press the same button on the remote control you previously used to control your garage door. The Learn LED will turn off. The garage door opener will respond by flashing the lights or clicking. Test the remote control. Your door will move when you press the button you just programmed. That's it. Repeat these steps for all remotes that need to be programmed. If you want to program a different button on the remote control than the one you previously used, follow the programming directions found in the instructions for your remote control. To program a keypad using the same pin you had before, press the Learn button on the control panel twice. The red Learn LED will turn on. Enter your original 4-digit pin on the keypad. Then press the Enter button if your keypad has one. The Learn LED will turn off. If there's no Enter button, press 0. The garage door opener will respond by flashing the lights or clicking. Wait for the lights on the keypad to stop flashing. Test the keypad. Your door will move when you use the pin you just programmed. Repeat these steps for all keypads that need to be programmed. If you want to choose a different pin, you'll need to follow the programming directions found in the instructions for your keypad. If you're using MyQ to control your garage door opener with an internet gateway, a smart garage hub, or a home bridge, you'll need to do a couple of things to get connected again. Both Apple and Android users should follow these steps. First, go ahead and download or update your MyQ app to the latest version in the App Store or Google Play. Now you need to remove the garage door opener from your MyQ account. Log in to the MyQ app. Tap the menu bars. Tap Device Management. Your Internet Gateway, Smart Garage Hub, or Home Bridge will be listed as a hub. Tap it. Android users, tap your garage door opener listed under Devices. Tap the trash can icon and confirm to delete. Apple users, under Devices, press and hold the garage door opener, slide left and tap Delete. Now let's add the garage door opener back in. Both Apple and Android users should follow these steps. Tap Add New Device. If you have an Internet Gateway or a home bridge, tap Garage Door Opener. The wall unit is your new control panel. MyQ will use it to control your garage door opener. Tap Next. Press the Learn button on your control panel 2 times. The red Learn LED will turn on. When the garage door opener has paired, the LED on the control panel will turn off, and you'll see a message that says Success on the MyQ app. If you have a smart garage hub, tap Door Sensor. Press and release the button on the door sensor. The LED will light up and you will hear a beep. Select the brand and model of your garage door opener. Select the color of the program button on your garage door opener. Press the program button on your garage door opener until the LED turns on, then quickly release. Tap Pair. You will receive a message once pairing is successful. Tap the menu bars, then tap Devices. Give it a try. Tap the garage icon to open and close your garage door. If you have MyQ remote light controls, garage door and gate monitors, or remote light switches, check to see if they are listed on your MyQ account. If they are, you won't need to add them again. Just continue to use them. If they are not listed on your account, they were connected using the old control panel. You'll need to reconnect them using the new control panel. To connect each device again, press the Learn button on the control panel twice. The red Learn LED will turn on. Press the Learn button on the MyQ device. Repeat these steps for all of your MyQ devices. You're all set. For more helpful information about setting up LiftMaster accessories, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com.